Hey, what's up guys, how you doing? Today on the Camaro project, we're going to be putting 4th gen seats into this 3rd gen Camaro. Now my seats are in really good condition. They're not like, I don't need to replace them. I just wanted to see what the 4th gen seats felt like. And if I like them better than the feel of the 3rd gen, I'm going to reach out to somebody that does like custom upholstery or something and then get the 4th gen seats custom upholstered. If I like the 3rd gen seats better, if I don't like those better, then I'll just go back to the 3rd gens and then I can get those upholstered. Either way, it's good to have 2 pairs of seats, right? Takes up a bunch of extra space in your garage that you really needed to take up. But here are the 4th gen seats that I bought. They're gray. I got them off eBay, man, like 6 months ago, back when I first started this project, maybe a year ago almost. But yeah, this whole swap is pretty simple. The 4th gen just plugs right into the 3rd gen stuff, just bolts right up. For the front seats, you need a 13mm bolt. For the back seats, I think you need a, I'm not sure, I'll figure it out as we go. But let's start. The seat brackets do have this like little Phillips headed thing on this little whatever that is on all 4 corners. You just have to take it off with a Phillips screwdriver. So when you take this off, it exposes the 13mm bolt right here. Okay, so I took the front and rear plastics off. Now let's get this bolt off. It's probably gonna be pretty hard to break, I'm assuming. There we go, and then this piece comes off right there. All right. Now we got 2 of them out. Onto the back. Now in the back of the seat, you're gonna have one right there, and then you'll have one right there. You can see that's my ground wire to my system is running, so I'll just have to reconnect that when I'm done. This one right here is a tight angle. You can only get so much travel with your ratchets. You're gonna be doing a lot of ratcheting on this one. And boom. Here we go, both of them. We also have to take a Phillips head to these screws right here to get this seat belt bracket off. Pretty simple. I also never understood what this extra fabric was for. Never knew. But we won't have that anymore. There we go, that's off. Now the seat is free. Nice and easy. And then you just repeat the same process for that side. I'm gonna vacuum these carpets while the seats are out, while these front seats are out, for sure. I'm gonna get new carpet. I already have new carpet, I haven't installed it yet. But for now, I'm gonna at least vacuum this stuff, and then we'll move on to rear seats next. All right, so these are the rear seats, and to get them out, all you have to do is take out that bolt right there, which happens to be a 13mm as well. How convenient. Boom, and that is it right there. Now your seat should just pop right off like that. Okay, so this is what it looks like with all the seats out, except for those back rests. So let's get to that next. Okay, so instead of guessing, I just Googled it, and there's literally one 13mm nut under there. That nut right there. And there's one on the opposite side as well. So I'm gonna use a 13mm wrench to get that one off and that one off. Also, as you can see, mine is the split seat design. So, but it should be the same for the solid seat and the split seat. The seat I'm going to actually is the solid seat. So, I mean, it won't make much of a difference to me, but, you know, just letting you guys know. That was alarmingly easy. So you can kind of just loosen them a little bit and then they just kind of hand tighten out. Very cool, very simple. There we go. Upon further inspection, we're going to have to get some star tips and take those out. All right, so we're using a T27 to get those off. All right, so those are super stuck on there. So I'm just gonna take my T27, put it inside a 1/4 inch bit or whatever you call it, do this old trick with a ratchet. That thing was in there. Holy crap. All right, and now we have to unzip it from there. Okay, guys, I'm officially stupid. I did it with the other one. It literally just slots off. Watch. Like that. I'm a freaking idiot. All right, now we just start putting everything back on, starting with that rear back seat. I was actually just sitting there thinking to myself, before I put this big back seat back on, I might as well replace these lower plastics right here, the black ones that I have, because I feel like doing that all over again is not going to be fun. So right now I'm just going to go ahead and replace those back plastic parts. They are gray right now, so I'm replacing it with black. And from what it looks like, there's just one screw on this back plastic right there that you have to take out, and I think that should be it. I'll let you know if it's any crazier. There we go. That was easy. Nice. One screw. All right, so backrest installed, got this back seat in there. We take our bolt and put it in there. And then we do the same thing for the other side. Then we just take these two seats right here, throw them in there, and we're pretty much done. Guys, and there we have it. It is done. That was actually relatively simple to do. Usually you get some hiccups along the way. There wasn't really many with this. A few, but nothing crazy. And then we have the back seats back there. I think this looks really awesome. And then eventually it'll all be those black plastics right there. All that will be the black plastic. So it'll be that nice contrasting black and gray. That'll look really cool. All right, guys, that is the end of the video. I appreciate you guys watching. Spend a little bit of your time today with me. It means a lot to me. Thanks for stopping by. Any questions you have, throw them in the comments down below. If you're looking for seats, your best bet's probably eBay. I'm gonna test these out for a while and see if I like them. But they look phenomenal. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye.